Welcome back. Today we're bringing you inside a full-on strategy day in Dublin with the Leading Social team. And to be honest, having an office and mapping out strategy, grabbing lunch in the city, maybe having a cheeky beer, this is always something I envisioned for the agency. And honestly, I'm really proud of the culture we've built and are continuing to grow. So if you're interested in agency life or what it's like to work with us, this is definitely a video for you. And I'd appreciate if you would subscribe. The plan is we're sitting down with Gary Fox to talk business planning. Then we're diving deep into e-commerce growth strategies with Karl from StoreHero. Gonna grab some lunch, and then we're finishing the day off and pitch on Dawson Street. So it's a packed day of insight and a few laughs along the way. So let's get into it. So we rented an office here in the Lennox building, and yeah, all the team are in here. So I'm gonna bring you in. I'm gonna ask them to introduce themselves and say what they do. Oh my God, it's so quiet in here. What? All right. What's your name and what do you do?
I'm Sam. I am the Chief Client Officer here at Leading Social. I've been here for about 3 years. Me and Leighton are very good friends, and I'm loving it.
Okay, great. Now we go over here to Avian. What's your name and what do you do?
Hi, I'm Aveen. I do the social ads at Leading Social. I've been here about a year and a half now.
Yeah, great. Thanks very much. And what do you do?
My name's Mia, and I also do the paid ad, the Facebook and Instagram, and I've been here about 6 months now.
What's your name and what do you do?
I'm Sive, and I'm the Partnerships Manager, and I've been here 6 months as well.
And last but definitely not least,
my name is Josh Zaragoza, and I am the Klaviyo email marketing specialist for Leading Social. I've been here for about almost a year now, so having a great time.
Very good. And then there's more of the lads that they'll come later on. But my favourite thing about our team is that we get the job done. Every single day we get the job done.
What's your favourite?
Hey, man.
Good to see you, man.
Okay, Levi and Lucas just got here. Where did you come from?
Brazil.
Originally, he didn't come in from Brazil this morning. This morning he came from
Brighton, UK.
And what's your name and what do you do?
My name is Levi. I am a Google Ad specialist at Leading Social.
Where did you come from today? And then introduce yourself and share what you do.
Yeah, I come from South London. I'm one of the Google analysts as well. I'm very excited to be here.
Hell yeah. Let's go.
So, are you guys excited for today?
Oh yeah, really excited. Really looking forward.
It's my first time actually, so I started working the end of October. It's been very nice. People are very nice. Yeah.
Leading Social is my family. It's almost about 2 years now. So
2 years already.
2 years, yeah. In April will be 2 years, yeah.
So today's what we're planning to hear is talking to Gary's session with Gary, our session with Karl, and then we'll do our own internal session towards the end of the day. Gary is a successful entrepreneur, and he also has a podcast, The Entrepreneur Experiment. Me and Josh always talk about it. It's definitely a pillar of the entrepreneur community in Ireland, and he's very well connected. He's asked some of the top executives and CEOs really in-depth questions around planning and mapping of the year, setting goals. So I brought him in for a session today to kind of share his insights on clarity and planning for the year.
So what's the one thing in your life right now where you feel like you don't have control over? It can be anything. It can be personal finances, relationships, fitness, health, anything. I want you to think of one thing, and I'm not going to ask you, so be as honest and as open as you can. This first couple of minutes is just for you.
Is there any tools that you recommend, or any that maybe you don't use but have been mentioned from a productivity or from an organisation standpoint? What's that look like?
Notion for me is everything.
For everything?
Everything is in there.
A to-do list and a calendar?
Yeah.
Like a year?
That's my to-do list there. I start every day and I write out the top 3 things I'm going to do. I write out the top 3 things for the year, and then the top 3 things I'm working on that day have to correspond. Now I'm in a lucky position is that I work for myself, so like I've set the 3, so then I know I'm just working on those 3.
I feel like I probably am a bit of a perfectionist. Do you have any tips for that account to just break through that and just go at it?
Good is good enough.
Yeah.
That's how I think of it. Because you won't know what perfect is. You know, you really won't. Like any time I've done that, it's never worked out for me. You know, it's and it's a trap we all fall into repeatedly, is that, like, you know, you do go, oh, when I just get the perfect name, or the perfect domain, or the perfect whatever, you know, you kind of go, oh, when I have that in place, then everything will fall in. Because I've realized it's only just your feedback from, in the environment.
Thanks, guys. See you soon.
What did I say now?
You don't think too much, just do it.
don't think about it.
Yeah. If you have to do something that you are not willing to do, just go for it without even thinking.
Yeah.
Like going to the gym, for example.
Yeah, because if you get in the car, that's it.
And I want to just really get clear on how we can best use the platform. So I think the way we're going to run this is we're going to just do a little Q&A from the beginning. Also, just all of us get around how to best use the platform. And then naturally, I think Karl just wants to share some updates and stuff, some updates in kind of the direction that they're going in, and how we can best use the platform.
It's also a case of being able to communicate the importance of it back to a client. So I suppose ultimately what I would have seen running a digital marketing agency for kind of 8 years or so is that it's been easy to, it's never been easier to start an e-commerce business, but it's been never more difficult to grow it profitably.
Make sure that we get, and everyone look at the camera, and I'm going to try and I'm going to try and get rid of that gold thing, so someone stands in front of that gold thing so much longer. So,
So now we've realised that we don't actually have a lot of photos of the team, so this is like the first time in a while that we can actually get everybody together for a little photo shoot. So trying to get some for the website, some for the social media, just kind of content for brochures and stuff like that. So it's actually very important, so we need to get it done.
Perfect, stunning. Okay, now we're going to stay in the same position and we're going to do this one. Whatever you want. Yeah, looking up the back. And we go upstairs with a group of people, but I think it's better that it's just.
We're gonna go get some food. Everybody's hungry. It's 2 o'clock. It's 1:30 now. So yeah, go get some food, feed the tummies, and then come back and get the last session of the day done.
Formula Day quite fun. It's great to see the team all in one area. Some of the speakers, Gary, Karl as well, really insightful. It's just a great day overall. We're going to grab food in Sophie's. Nice. And then we'll go from there.
Very good, very good.
Get on some real yard shit. Come in on it like this.
What are you thinking they're getting?
I actually don't know. I've never been here before. Come back to me.
We'll come back to you.
I think we had just had 8.
Controller, young soldier, once over. Any man at this, we I get slumped over. Don't be scared of the thing, girl, come closer. You need to come over, bad man, we know.
Nice steak, medium rare, and some truffle fries.
I got a beef burger and skinny fries and a Guinness.
What would you rate it out of 10?
I'll give it a 9.
Okay.
Solid 9. Yeah.
What would you rate your meal out of 10?
9 out of 10.
What'd you get?
Caesar salad and chips. If the chicken was crispy, it would have been a 10.
I just got a very nice burger with some fries and some salad. It's very nice.
Good view as well.
Very good.
Yeah, and rooftop.
Nice. What would you rate your meal out of 10?
10. I would say 10.
What about you?
Yeah, 10. I
10?
would say 10, yeah.
Very generous.
Yeah.
Now 3:30. Sam, what do you think of the sessions earlier on?
Very good.
Yeah.
Gary was great.
Good.
Karl was very good as well. From Gary, my main takeaway was probably the action. I think I focused a lot on the implementation and the planning, which can, I think, sometimes waste a lot of time. So yeah, I think action, and then from Karl, got a lot of really good insights. I think the main one was probably how we need to improve the onboarding process. 2 really good sessions, really valuable.
Yeah, I'm the same. Definitely on Gary's side, prioritization. I think that's a big thing that we all need to focus on internally. And then Karl, always a great chat. Always love learning what he's seeing with other brands and what other agencies are doing to really dial in that business growth element of the agency service. So that's great. So yeah, now we're going to just do a little bit of jamming and a bit of an internal session, kind of reflect on last year. Do like the basics, like a SWOT analysis and stuff. Like, although like they are very kind of basic, it's good to kind of have those insights and put everything together. So yeah.
obviously every time the clients speak to them, I can't imagine like clients not liking us. That's
Really good day. Fucking very information heavy, huh, Sam?
It was.
It was. There's so much you can go through, but like you can only get into that level of depth when you're together. You can't have a call and get into that much depth, I don't think.
No.
It's not the same.
Yeah, it's better when everyone is together, bouncing ideas off each other, and yeah, it's just more free flowing when everyone's together. It's a lot easier to communicate. And,
yeah. So we uncovered a lot of things that we need to improve on from an agency service perspective, which is crazy because I think it is one of the best agency services out there. But there's always room to improve. So we definitely uncovered that. Uncovered ways that like I could support the team more, how Sam could support the team more, and then also from an expectation perspective as well. So. Yeah, really good, productive day. Now we're gonna go upstairs, get the last of the photos, and then we're gonna go do a bit of indoor golf.
Feeling confident?
Yeah, I think I get a good result. Alright, so we've after getting two stragglers into pitch in Dublin. So what's your name and what do you do in Leading Social?
My name's Dave. I'm the Executive Fun Officer at Leading Social.
What do you do here?
My name is Shane and I'm Head of Sales at Leading Social.
You're talking rubbish now. One of the benefits of being organising these events is you can bring your buddies along with you. Alright, that was a bit of crack. We finished it off with about 2 hours here at pitch in Dublin and got a bit of food, got a few drinks. And yeah, Mike took home the gold medal. He won 2 out of 3 games. So fair play, Mike.
Thank you.
And yeah, great game. Great place for like a team bonding session. It's good to, we're all friends, but it's also good to kind of hang out in a more less formal environment and just kind of hang out. So yeah, successful day and successful planning day. We've got a lot done for the year ahead, and I appreciate anybody who watched this video. There's a couple of links in the description if you're a brand booking for a call. If you're interested in marketing, if you're an e-commerce manager, download the 5 Pillars of Online Success ebook. And please do like and subscribe. Really appreciate the support.